Hi everyone, welcome yet to another video on my YouTube channel Math Techniques. Here I'm going to talk about common identities in algebra, and there are also we have put in playlists for other topics as well. So kindly request all of you to go through this playlist. Onto the board, guys. Here what I've done is basically I put it in a fraction form, like a plus 1 by a the whole squared and a squared plus 1 by a squared the whole squared. So let us go ahead and solve these problems, right? So first is a plus 1 by a the whole squared. So this is in the format of a plus b the whole squared. What is a plus b the whole squared? We know that it is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now a is a, the problem, b is 1 by a, right? So b is 1 by a. This is equal to a squared plus 2 times a. What is b? 1 by a. 1 by a plus b is what? 1 by a, the whole squared, right? So what does this boil down to? This basically boils down to a squared plus, so it is, I have to cancel this a and this a, right? So a squared plus 2 plus 1 by a squared, okay? Or this can be rewritten as a squared plus 1 by a squared plus 2. So this is the solution of this particular equation, of this particular term, that is a plus 1 by a the whole squared. What we have done here basically is we have used the formula of a plus b the whole squared, which is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What I have done, I have substituted the value of a and b here, where a is a and b is 1 by a. So I put that here down, a as a and substitute b to be 1 by a. That whole square is equal to a squared plus 2 times ab, 2 times a into b. What is b? b is 1 by a, so I put it as 1 by a plus b squared. This is plus 1 by a whole square. Why? b is 1 by a. So this is equal to a squared plus 2. Why 2? Because a into 1 by a is 1. So it is 2 plus 1 by a squared. So this is equal to a squared plus 1 by a squared plus 2. Okay. Now next, let us go to the next sum. What is the next sum stating? A squared plus 1 by a squared the whole squared, right? So this one is in the formula of a plus b the whole squared. Let us write down the formula. A plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so let us substitute for a to b as a squared, b to b as 1 by a squared. Okay, so this is how it is coming. So this is equal to, what is a? A is a squared. So this is a squared whole squared plus 2 times, what is a? A squared. What is b? b is 1 by a squared plus 1 by a squared the whole squared. Okay, so this is equal to a squared the whole square is what? This is a squared the whole square, that is 2 into 2, a squared dot a squared. So this is a squared dot a squared plus 2 times, this will cancel, right? A squared by a squared is 1, so it will be plus 2 plus 1 by a squared into 1 by a squared, because it is twice, it is 1 by a squared to the power of 2. If it is power of 3, it will be 1 by a squared into 1 by a squared into 1 by a squared. Here also a squared into a squared, right? So now since the base, this one is the same thing, right? So we can put this as a, and we'll have to add this 2 plus 2, right? That is equal to 4. A to the power of 4 plus 2 plus, similarly it is 1 by a squared into 1 by a squared. So we'll have to add this. So it is 1 by a to the power of 4. So this can be written as a to the power of 4 plus 1 by a to the power of 4 plus 2. So this is the solution to this particular equation. Let me repeat how I went through the steps here. A squared plus 1 by a squared, the whole square, is in the form of a plus b the whole squared, which is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So what I do? I substituted a for a squared and b for 1 by a squared. So I have put it in bracket, that is a squared plus 1 by a squared whole square is equal to a squared the whole square, because a is a squared, right? So I put that, and the whole square plus 2 times a squared into 1 by a squared. Why? A is a squared, b is 1 by a squared, and plus b, the whole b squared is what? B is what? 1 by a squared. So 1 by a squared the whole squared, right? So we put it here. So a squared into a squared. Why? A squared is repeating twice, so it is into a squared plus 2 plus 1 by a squared into 1 by a squared, right? Why? Because it is twice. Okay, this has exponential things. So I will be taking a class later on this exponential, how do you get this exponential formulas. This is equal to a to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 by a to the power of 4, which is equal to a to the power of 4 plus 1 by a to the power of 4 plus 2. Hope you like this video. Kindly go through the steps if you have not been clearing any steps. Kindly watch this video over and over again. Kindly do like, share and subscribe this video with your friends globally. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye.